Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you Sealey Torch. The model is 3601. This is very handy torch. One light on the top, the other one on the bottom. 1 watt on the top, 2 watts on the bottom. The switch is in here. You can switch on, switch another light, switch off. Yeah. The light got a hook. You can put a hook somewhere and turn the light to 360 degrees. On the bottom of light is magnet, very strong magnet. You can put to the metal. You can turn around 360 degrees each way. Yeah. The battery charger is for USB cable, standard USB. Need about 3 hours for charging the battery. Battery is built in. We can use the light about 3 hours on the bottom light and 6 hours on the top light. It's very handy light. The life of this light is about 5, 6, 7 years. You can drop it many times, still will be working. It's very strong light. And the length of it is about 160 millimeters. So you can put to your pocket, you can put to your glove box, you can leave it in the car, and you can have it when you need it. Yeah. So I would highly recommend it. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. If you are happy with my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.